The idea that Sage Intacct could reduce our chart of accounts from 56,000 to 100 is probably a dream for me. I'm Sherry Friedman. I'm the Chief Financial Officer for Room to Read. When I first came to Room to Read, we were using Epicor. We were behind several versions and it was very clunky. The connectivity was tough, it was very slow, and created a lot of frustrations around the globe. Oftentimes, a 15-minute task would take 3 hours. We had no standardized process, and so as a result, every country would sometimes make it up as they went along. When I arrived, we had 56,000 accounts in our chart of accounts. I met with all of the accounting and finance managers around the globe, and everyone, said, we just can't work with Epicor. It's just so hard, we can't close the books. We were looking at both Sage Intacct and we were looking at NetSuite. With Sage Intacct, I got, yeah, we can do that, out of the box, out of the box, out of the box. With NetSuite, it was, yes, absolutely, with customization. I had a lot of confidence in Sage when I started out. I think everyone I met had a really good sense of the nonprofit world and the needs of the nonprofit. With Armanino, we agreed that we would actually build some key reports right into our system implementation so that the hardest ones, the ones that are the biggest challenge, came right out of the box for us when we pushed the button to go live, and that really helped us. We've taken at least a week out of the close process. We've given people back a lot of time. In the streamlining of our chart of accounts with the dimensions and our variance, we've been able to really get deeper into the detail. We're able to pull data out around our donor reporting that we could never touch before. I think the reporting is probably the sweet spot for us, in terms of where we think that we were really able to leverage early some of the real benefits from our implementation and the power of what Sage Intacct brought to the table. Our management team is looking at the financials for the first time and thinking, wow, they're not 6 months old, they're like last week. The finance and accounting team has just really risen in their own sense of empowerment. This idea of being the trusted advisor to the business has become, sort of our mantra. It was really exciting.